Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So this hair video, guys, is actually sponsored by Unice Hair Company. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you go ahead and check my videos, I've been doing hair videos for quite some time on YouTube. Now I know a lot of you guys are intrigued with hair tutorials showing how to color, but that kind of thing is a little bit obsolete at this point just because we all have videos on our channels that show you how to color. So around the time when ash blonde was a big trend, I had several videos showing you guys how I color the hair. None of my methods have changed as far as coloring the hair, getting the roots and stuff like that to be a nice color for women of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the cards section here a whole list of videos on how I dye the hair. I've done this on curly hair, I've done this on straight hair. As long as it comes to me in the 613 blonde color, I'm able to go ahead and tone the hair down and add some roots to it. So that's what I did with this unit today. Now this unit was sent to me from Unice Hair Company, guys. It is a deep wave textured unit, guys, and it is 18 inches long. So 18 inches long isn't really that long, so I did go ahead and customize this unit because it was necessary. Now 95% of the time, the people that purchase 613 colored hair, we never leave it in that 613 color. No shade, no tea for the 5% of people, because I think it's about 5% people who keep that kind of yellow tone color. But a lot of the times when you're purchasing 613 colored hair, you're usually purchasing it to do like a watercolor to it or to ash it out. Now ash blonde is a really nice color, like I told you guys before, just because it looks really good on women of color, brown girls like me, or whatever shade you are. It's just a really nice way to kind of wear blonde with more of a subtle look instead of being very striking. In my opinion, 613 is way too striking, and Dom will never ever come out the house like that. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did use 2 products to achieve the color. I will show you guys how I curled it and stuff like that. I did put flexi rods in it. So as far as the hair quality, guys, the hair quality is pretty good. The density on this unit isn't a large density, but once I cut it, you guys can see the fluff and how just absolutely gorgeous. Now, one thing about Unice Hair Company that I want to point out, their lace is always impeccable. So when I received this unit, I already knew from Jump Street that the unit was going to lay nice. I was going to be able to do all the necessary baby hair magic that I wanted to with no issues whatsoever. colors for this unit, guys. I did use the number 70 medium ash blonde from Revlon Color Silks. Now that one you can get it at Walmart for about like $3.50. I remember one time when it was like $2.60, but you know, inflation, things go up. So I did use 3 boxes of that hair dye, and I also did go in with the L'Oreal Paris Magic Root Rescue. Now I got this one in the color number 5, which is a medium brown shade, and the reason why I like the Magic Root Rescue is because when you're going to do the dark rooting, this one actually comes with a brush, so it makes it very, very easy to do it, guys, like very easy. So I'd recommend using that. I did previously try to get a Revlon Color Silks medium ash brown, but it really didn't take the color, but the L'Oreal Magic Root Rescue definitely worked, and like I said, I got the number 5 on this one, and it did just a really good job. So you guys can see that the hair looks really, really good, guys, on both sides. I did do baby hairs on this side as well too, but when it comes to baby hairs on that side, because I'm gonna have like a little bit of a bang right here, I don't really go and do all that kind of stuff. I really emphasize getting this side right here to look super flawless, which you guys can see it looks flawless AF. So guys, I would recommend purchasing this unit. Like I said, about 95% of us who purchase 613 units, we're gonna dye it anyways. I know a lot of you guys are into the blonde colors. You guys know I always have to have a nice ash blonde color in my collection. So this is another one that I have. So you guys already know the deal when it comes to this. I absolutely love it. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, including the hair dye that I use, and also a couple videos down below and in the cards if you wanna know how to affordably dye your hair ash blonde and rock blonde hair as a woman of color, because it's not that bad. It's 2022. Let's do what we want. I will leave all that information down below, guys. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.